What if your job disappeared tomorrow? Not because of a recession, but because of AI. Artificial intelligence is already replacing human workers across the world. From banks to hospitals, AI is transforming every industry. Experts believe the biggest changes will happen before 2030.
AI doesn't get tired, doesn't sleep, and can work 24 hours a day.
Customer service is one of the first industries being transformed by AI.
Even retail stores are becoming more automated every year.
Factories are using intelligent robots to increase speed and reduce costs. But does this mean humans will lose every job? Let's discover which jobs are most at risk and which careers will thrive in the AI era. Customer support is changing faster than almost any other industry. AI can answer questions in seconds without taking breaks. Answer questions in seconds without taking breaks. Warehouses are becoming smarter with robots working day and night. Even transportation and delivery are being transformed by AI. Banks are using AI to detect fraud and analyze financial data much faster. AI is also improving security through intelligent facial recognition. Doctors are using AI to detect diseases earlier and more accurately.
Education is becoming more personalized with the help of AI. The workplace is evolving faster than ever before.
But not every job will disappear. Some careers will become even more valuable in the age of AI. Healthcare professionals will still be essential. Because AI supports doctors, it doesn't replace their judgment.
Great teachers will continue to inspire and guide students in ways AI cannot.
AI engineers and software developers will become even more valuable. As AI grows, cybersecurity experts will be needed more than ever.
Creative professionals who use AI wisely can work faster without losing originality.
Business owners can automate repetitive work and focus on making better decisions.
Freelancers who learn AI can deliver projects faster and stay competitive.
The people who keep learning new skills will have the biggest advantage. The future isn't humans versus AI. It's humans working with AI. So, what skills should you learn today to stay ahead tomorrow? Let's find out. Learning AI today could become one of the smartest career decisions you'll ever make.
People who master AI tools can complete work in a fraction of the time.
Businesses using AI are becoming faster, smarter, and more profitable. The demand for AI developers continues to grow every year. The future isn't about replacing humans. It's about humans working with intelligent machines. AI helps professionals make faster and more informed decisions.
Education is becoming smarter with personalized AI learning.
Routine office work is becoming more automated every year. Countries investing in AI today are shaping the future of tomorrow.
But there's one question that still remains. Can AI truly replace human creativity?
AI can generate ideas, but human creativity still gives them meaning. Musicians are using AI to speed up production, not replace inspiration. Even Hollywood is using AI to improve visual effects and production.
Lock in that render, it looks incredible.
At the same time, AI is creating thousands of new business opportunities.
New careers are emerging faster. New careers are emerging faster than ever before.
The best investment you can make today is learning AI skills.
The people who learn AI won't be replaced by it. They'll use it to become more productive. By 2030, AI will become part of everyday life for billions of people.
The future belongs to those who work with AI, not against it.
So, should you fear AI, or should you learn to use it? The answer might surprise you.
The future isn't about humans versus AI. It's about humans and AI working together.
The people who start learning AI today will have a huge advantage tomorrow. The next few years could completely change the way we live and work. The biggest risk isn't AI replacing you. It's someone using AI replacing someone who doesn't. Those who adapt will discover opportunities that never existed before.
AI is becoming one of the most powerful tools humanity has ever created.
The future has already begun, and it's moving faster than ever. Do you think AI will replace more jobs or create more opportunities? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and future technology content.
Thanks for watching. This is NextMind AI, exploring AI and building the future. See you in the next video.